How to log out a Phantom Wallet account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how we can log out of a Phantom Wallet. So if you are also looking out for process on how we can log out, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to do it. First of all, head over and open up your Phantom Wallet application on the device. And once you are logged into Phantom Wallet, you can head over to your profile at the top left corner of the screen. So, before logging out of our account, what we're going to do is save up everything about this account. So whenever we log in, we can recover our account. So we can just go ahead and tap on the pen icon beside the account that you are trying to log out of. And once you reach over here, you're going to go to the show secret recovery phase. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and continue with the process and save up the secret phrase secretly, to recover to your wallet. So after you're successfully saved up that recovery phrase, what we're going to do is head over to your account again and tap on the gear icon this time. And when you tap on the gear icon, we're going to look out for the option called security and privacy. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, we will be finding this option called reset app. So we don't have a direct logout option on Phantom Wallet, but what we can do is reset the app. When we reset the app, we will be directly logged out and you just need to type in your secret phrase again in order to log in into your account. And that is it. That is how you log out a Phantom Wallet account very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.